Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth Vendetti, and today I want to show you how to download a font that you purchase or get on the internet and then how to put it in Canva for your marketing. Okay, so right now I'm on creativefabrica.com and today the Disney font is free. Okay, so all you do is you download it. Okay, and then when it's done, it's going to come up here like this. And you'll see this means zipped. Okay, so that means it compressed the file. So you're going to go to the file and you're going to double click and unzip it. Okay. And I'll show you more of what that does. Okay. So now that it's downloaded and you can get access to that file, you go over to Canva, start any project you want, any size, and then just hit add a text box. Okay. When you click on the font names, it's going to bring all the different fonts that are here, and you have the option in the bottom left to upload a font. Okay. So I downloaded it. It was under Disney. Okay, so I open this up, click on the first one, open. You have to confirm that you have the ownership for it. Okay, and so now Disney is in one of your options. Okay, so I'll show you how it works. If you go like this and highlight it, let's say we want to change it to Disney, start typing in Disney. There we go. Now there's my Disney font. Okay, then we'll show Disney just to show you how it kind of looks with the word Disney. Okay, super cute font. Super easy to upload. And like I said, today it's free. I'll add a link so that you can get it for free. And then you have the ownership for life, and then you can use it in all of your marketing. Thanks for watching.